Walter and Gracie is, of course, their wonderful creation, Woody Woodpecker, having perhaps almost as good a time as they are. Hello, Walter. This is only the second year in the parade for Woody, but he's already proving to be one of the favorites among the many wonderful balloon characters that have become famous here on Thanksgiving morning. Woody, as Sarah told you a little bit earlier, 75 feet long. He's got a wingspan 45 feet, furnished, of course, by Walter Lance Productions. Coming in behind Woody, riding in on the Rocking Lobster, is John Bauman. Now, some of you may not know him by that name, but you do.